welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notifications bell so you never miss out on a Steffi D Creates video. Today is the last project of the holiday gift guide. I know, I'm so sad. I had so much fun making these projects for you and I hope that you enjoyed them. From the 1-minute holiday tips to the bigger projects like this, it's really been a labor of love and I love creating them and sharing them with you. So thank you so much for watching and supporting Steffi D. It's been a fantastic year and a wonderful holiday season. So today we're gonna be making our last holiday gift guide project. We're gonna be making easy toy soaps. These are so easy, you're gonna be shocked. You can put anything in here. Little toy cars, little animals, it's totally up to you. You can put dried flowers in them and you can put any scent you want in here. There's so much creativity in this project and they're so easy, and the best part is this is a great gift for kids. You can put their favorite toys in here and it will make them want to wash their hands because the more that they use it, the closer they will get to getting their little toy. Also, I just love that this card is sticking out and he's sinking into the soap. This is amazing. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below, so you can make these glycerin soaps for the holidays. They only take a couple of minutes, so if you're in need for a last-minute gift, this is a great idea. Then you can bundle them up and wrap them in cute little gift bags. You can do a lot or a little. It's totally up to you. These are a fantastic gift idea. I'm so excited to share this with you, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A cupcake tin, clear glycerin soap, small toys, a microwavable safe container, and a knife. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our glycerin into 1-inch cubes. Most of the time you can find them where they're already in blocks, so we're just gonna cut them into size. For 4 soaps, I used about 10 total cubes, so 5 in the beginning and 5 in the end. So we're gonna cut 10 total cubes right now. So with your knife, just carefully cut out your 1-inch cubes. Sometimes it takes a little bit of elbow grease to cut them, but you get your arm workout in for the day. Once your cubes are all cut, you're gonna place them into your microwavable safe dish. Like I said, I used 5 cubes to make 4 soaps, so I'm gonna put 5 in to begin with. If you're making more, you can put more in. If you're gonna do 8 soaps, put 10 cubes in. Then you're going to microwave this at 30-second intervals until it is completely melted. Be very careful when you're taking this out of the microwave. It's going to be very hot, so just be careful that you don't burn your fingers. After you've melted your glycerin, if you want to add any kind of essential oil, now would be the time to do it. You can add any scent that you'd like, lavender, mint, orange, vanilla, it's totally up to you. Once your glycerin is completely melted, you're gonna pour it into your cupcake tin. You wanna pour it only halfway full, so just pour it in until it gets about halfway. You can do a little bit less if you want, you don't have to make them the entire cupcake size. Then you wanna put this into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't wanna do more time because it will give it a hard white layer on top and you'll see the division. So start at 10, check it. If it is hardened and completely hardened, you're good to go. If it's not, give it a couple more minutes, but no longer than 15. Once you've taken your cupcake tin out of the freezer, your glycerin should be hard, but shouldn't have a white layer on top. And now we're gonna add the toys. This is the really fun part. You can get small toys that will be completely covered by the soap, or you can get bigger toys that stick out a little bit. It's really fun if they stick out. It's totally up to you. I like to do a mishmash of everything. Some that are completely covered and some that stick out, like this awesome card that looks like it's sinking into the soap. So you're gonna place your toys on top of the glycerin. Just lay them in there however you want them to go. When your toys are all laid out and they look super cool, you're gonna go ahead and put more glycerin into your microwavable dish. So take those extra cubes that you cut, put them back into your microwavable safe dish and microwave them again until they are completely melted. When your second round of glycerin has completely melted, you're going to go ahead and pour on top of your toys. So go ahead and fill them up, and it's up to you on how far you want to fill them. If you want the toys sticking out a little bit, if you want them completely covered. I think it makes it really fun for the kids when they wash their hands and they can see the toys and feel them and know that they're getting closer to their surprise. I mean, I guess it's not a surprise, they know what it is, but they're getting closer to their toy. After you poured your second round of glycerin on top of the toys, you're gonna put this back into the freezer for 15 minutes. You can leave this one in a little bit longer if you want because it's gonna seal it, but 15 minutes is the minimum. After 15 minutes, take your cupcake tin out of the freezer and you should be able to just turn your cupcake tin over, give it a little twist, and they should fall out. So just up like that. You may have to give them a little push, but they should easily pop out. Now that you have your soaps, you can put them in cute little bags or baskets and give them to anyone you want. You can put keepsakes in them for adults or toys in them for kids. It makes it a really fun way to wash your hands and keep clean. Enjoy. Before I made this video, I really didn't know how easy it was to make soap, and now that I've learned it's so easy, I've been making soaps for everyone. So if you're in my family, you might be getting soaps for Christmas. Surprise! If you liked today's video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it and I can make more easy DIY gifts like this for you. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, stephidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below so you can make your own toy surprise soaps too. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to stay up to date with behind the scenes information, upcoming projects, tips and tricks, more life hacks, DIYs, 1-minute tips. There's so much more on there, so go ahead and give me a follow. I can't believe this is the end of our holiday gift guide. It has been so much fun. I love creating gifts. That's the whole point that I do Steffi D, is to create things to inspire, to give away. I love crafting, I love DIYs. Thank you for watching the holiday gift guide with me. It means so much. I wish you and your family a wonderful holiday.